I am Dr.K.Sumathy, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Economics. I am working in K.Sumathy College of Arts and Science. Today I discuss the topic of price policy and pricing methods. First, price policy. Price policy plays an important role to attain rapid economic development. A suitable price policy can provide more finance for economic development and helps to increase saving and capital formation. Investment is promoted due to greater incentive for investment. It can be utilized for the establishment of economic stability and more rational allocation of resources. In business, a systematic approach is required in pricing the commodities. Decision making in this respect is very important as it leads to permanent source of revenue to the business and also survival in the future. It is most important device for the firms to expand the market. If the price is too high, a seller may have to go out of the market. If the price is too low, the firm may not cover its cost and face loss. Hence, setting price is a complex problem. There is no cut and dried formula for fixing the prices. It depends upon various situations in the business. Objectives of pricing policy. Price policy plays an immense role to attain rapid economic development. Price policy is a mean to attain certain objectives of the firm. They are: prices should aim at maximizing profit for the entire product line. That is, they should stimulate profitable combination sales. Prices should be set to promote the long range welfare of the firm. Example, to discourage competitors from entering the field. Prices should be adapted and individualized to fit the diverse competitive situation encountered by different products. To establish equilibrium between demand and supply of the goods and services, to bring flexibility in price and stabilize price of consumer goods. Price policy should have both macro and micro aspects, aims at long run welfare of the firm. Price policy should be flexible enough to meet changes in economic conditions of the various customer industries. Pricing methods. Price is the value of product denoted in terms of money. It is the amount paid by a buyer to a seller for a unit of product or service. A firm may adopt various price policies for the product being produced by it. But the traditional method of fixing the price on the basis of demand and supply, the pure economic formula of marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. In practical life, firms would like to avoid the entry of competitors and share the market in the long run. And for this, they would be prepared to supernormal profit in the short run. Generally, modern firms would like to have large share of the market rather than maximum profit. Hence, they will try to fix neither the maximum profit nor the minimum price. Pricing methods. The various pricing methods employed by the businessman can be brought under the following. First one, full cost or cost plus method. It is the most common method of pricing adopted by manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers for its simple and easy procedure. This method is also called cost plus pricing, margin price and markup pricing. Under this method, the price is set to cover all costs and predetermined percentage for profit. Second one, target pricing or pricing for a rate of return. According to this method, manufacturer consider a predetermined target rate of return on capital invested. In this method, the companies determine the average markup on costs necessary to produce a desired rate of return on the company's investment. It is the company estimate future sales, costs and arrives at a markup that will achieve a target return on company's investment. Marginal cost pricing. Under marginal pricing, the price of the product is determined on the basis of the marginal or variable costs. Under this pricing, the objective of the firm is to maximize its total contribution to fixed costs and profit. Marginal cost pricing method is highly useful for public utility undertakings. It helps in maximizing social welfare. Next one, going rate pricing. This method is adopted by oligopoly, where a firm initiates price changes and the other firms in the industry follow the pattern of by the leader. Other firms accept the leadership. This method is also called acceptance pricing. Customary pricing. Prices of certain goods become more or less fixed for a considerable period of time, not by deliberate action on the seller's part, but as a result of their having prevailed for a considerable period of time. Skimming pricing. Under this method, a very high price is fixed for a new product initially and later the price is reduced gradually when competitors enter the market. This method starts with a skim price, that is high price, and moves the price downward step by step until it reaches the right price. Next, penetration price. This policy requires fixing of lower initial price designed to penetrate the market as quickly as possible. It is intended to maximize a profit in the long run. Therefore, the firms pursuing the penetrate price policy set a lower price of the product in the initial stage and gradually raises the price. This is done by adopted low prices in the initial stages. Due to low prices, sales volume goes up, competition falls down. Next, dual pricing. If a manufacturer sells the same product at two or more different prices, it is known as dual pricing. Dual pricing is possible only if different brands are marketed in the same market. Next, psychological pricing. This method is a practice of selling prices at odd amount of like rupees 99, 199, 399, etc. It is known as odd pricing. Next, administrated pricing. Administrated prices are the price of commodities fixed by the government to prevent unnecessary price hikes, black marketing and shortage in supply. Government may resort to administrated price for essential raw materials like steel, cement, fertilizer, etc., which are very essential for industrial and agricultural development. Thank you.